Thanks so much, you little kids.
Your heart closer?
TTFN. Ta-ta for now.
It's like old time.
Hello out there, it's me, Tigger.
Blustery day, Winnie the a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of money.
Look, Mama, look! I'm a kite on Tidely Room.
Happy Wednesday.
Please!
We'll save you, Piglet.
First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun! Goodness gracious!
Hello. Cover the bumps and Tigger. Steal honey. Beware, beware. Have a lovely woodoo. Steal honey. Beware.
Because they got so long, the thing we cry, so hard, beware, 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 beware.
What a wonderful dream.
Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up, Pooh!
Oh boy, it's your birthday.
It's time for your party, Pooh! Hooray!
Happy birthday.
Hooray! Happy birthday!
Hip, hip, hooray!
These are all for you, Pooh Bear. Look at all those presents.
If you don't like my present, I'll take it back.
Jesus, you love Kevin's present.
Wasn't your